Hello there, this is Emmy from Techie Doodle Doo, and welcome back to the floor. I also have a special guest with me in this video. This is Lady Floofy Tail. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your IKEA Dirigera with your Apple HomeKit. So I do assume that you've already set up your IKEA Dirigera system. If you have not, please pause this video and go ahead and click on the link to another video in the description below, because there I do explain how to set up your IKEA Dirigera system. So for this you're going to need a phone with the IKEA Home Smart application and also the Apple HomeKit application. And you're going to have to be fairly close to your IKEA Dirigera hub. So first you're going to open your IKEA Home Smart application and click on the little person in the bottom right corner. And then you're going to select your hub to go into the settings, then click the integrations and choose Apple HomeKit. Then we'll click connect. And here you have to, if you have a look at the bottom of your hub, you have some QR codes. So you're going to scan them with the application, like so, and add to Apple Home. And yes, my bridge is in the dining room. Continue. Dirigera. Continue. And then you have to go through every light that you have and choose which room they are in. So all my lights are in the dining room. And I'll just use the default name here. But you can, of course, change it if you want. And there you go. It's connected. So now we can go ahead and open our Apple HomeKit application, like so. And there you go. There you have all your light bulbs from the IKEA Dirigera. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these instructions were clear and easy to follow. If not, please do leave a comment down below so that we can improve and make the tutorials even better. If you want to connect a hue bulb to your IKEA Dirigera system, have a look at this video, which will show you how to do that. Also, we will be publishing another video soon where we show you how to connect your IKEA Dirigera system to your Google Home. Have a good one!